All right, a quick household update. So you can see my road into the hole has been pretty well used. We've got this started to clean off. This sheet here is cleaned off well enough, and I've exposed this big anchor. That'll be the location of one of the corners. And then I decided to tackle the worst part first. So that's where we sit. I'm working my way into that corner. It's all frozen. I have to jackhammer it loose and break it up with a pick and scoop it up. What makes this the worst part isn't the frozen soil. It's all these little angles. There's very few things I can shovel off of. If I can get up underneath of something, it's not nearly as difficult. But I can't do that here. So it's all got to be broken up and then hauled out one bucket load at a time. Sometimes by loading 5-gallon buckets if I can't get the loader close enough to throw it into. Oh, it's rough work. I can only do it for 3.5, 4 hours at a stretch, and I find myself unable to hold things, and just no strength less in your arms and your hands primarily. So whatever, it's just me whining. But yeah, there's a lot of material that's been removed through here, but it is looking good. And then this way the concrete forms can be scribed to the rock. I don't think they have to be pressure wash clean, but they need to be pretty clean. And with all these cracks and angles, while it'll be a nightmare to scribe the lower forms in, you'll grab the rock and hold it pretty well. There won't be any shifting issues. So Danny and Shay are coming. They're actually supposed to be here a while ago. And we're going to set up the transit and confirm what is elevation 0, the highest spot, and make sure that it's right over there where I think it is. And then we'll measure out the hole and try to decide if the house is going to go back up in there. And this is also the first test of this camera, so it'll give me a chance to see if the cell phone will give me a decent look. I suspect it will.